Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to perform the practical using virtual lab. So again, we need to go on the same page that previously we discussed in the video of virtual lab. We go in the home of value@Amrita. After that, we go in the physical sciences. Then here the heat and thermodynamics virtual lab tab is given, so we need to click on that tab. Then we click on the first, that is heat transfer by the radiation. So today we are going to perform the practical based on the theory that we discussed in the chapter number 4, heat transfer by the radiation. So first of all, we see aim of the practical to compare the heat transfer between the different material surfaces and black body surfaces by radiation. And second objective of this practical is to find out the emissivity of different material surfaces. So apparatus given over here. In apparatus there is a one chamber in which we have one reference surfaces, or we can say it's a black surfaces, and second is the test plate, or we can say the specimen plate, for which we are going to measure the emissivity. So temperature sensors fitted over here on both the disc, reference disc as well as the test plate. On the reference plate we have fitted the three different temperature sensors, 1, 2 and 3. Then one temperature sensor is fitted in the chamber to measure the temperature of ambient in the chamber, that is a T4, and another 3 sensors are fitted on the test plate, that is T5, T6 and T7. So in this way the apparatus arrangement is given to perform this practical. Now the theory. So we know that a black body is emitting maximum amount of radiations, as well as it absorbs the maximum amount of the emission radiation. And we study the three different properties of the surfaces, that is absorbivity, reflectivity, transmittivity. So based on these three properties, we know that the incident radiation on any surface is either it is going to absorb by the surface or reflected back, or it can be transmitted through the surfaces. So based on this energy balance equation, we define the absorbivity, reflectivity and transmittivity. And after that we know the one more an important term, that is emissivity. So emissivity is defined as the ratio of the radiation emitted by the surfaces to the radiation emitted by the black surfaces at same temperature. And that's why we need to measure the temperature of a chamber. Then how mathematically we will calculate the emissivity of a given surfaces, means a test plate. So we supply the same amount of heat to the black surfaces as well as for the surface that we are going to check. So based on this QB and QP that are equal, and based on that we know the formula that emissivity into sigma, that is Stefan-Boltzmann's constant, into TB minus TC and TP minus TC. TC is the chamber temperature and TB is the average temperature of T1, T2, T3 and T4, and TP is the average temperature of T5, T6 and T7. So on the basis of these equations, Stefan-Boltzmann's law and emissivity, by comparing the QB and QP, we will able to calculate the emissivity of given test plate. And the application, means this practical is applicable in various areas like mobile telephones, industrial heaters, microwave ovens, and many more applications are there. So now after discussions of basic that theories, apparatus, then relation between absorbivity and emissivity, we also know the Kirchhoff law, which state that emissivity and the absorbivities are equal at given temperature when the thermal equilibrium is achieved. And then we discuss the application. So after that we click over here on the second tab, that is a procedure. So here the procedure is given to perform the practical using a simulator. So variable regions are there. The procedure is divided into 3 steps: variable region, So in variable region, we have to select the material. Here the selections of material is given, so we need to select the material of specimen plate. Then second is the diameter of specimen, means we can use the vary the diameter of given specimen. Thickness is also a variable, so we need to vary the thickness using the given bar. Chamber temperature is also the important parameter, and we can change using the arrangement given over here. Now for measurement region, the white knob in the simulator is given to set the input power. The tuning switch is given that either we are going to for the black plate or the test plate. Here the important note is given, power should be given for both the plates must be same. Then and then we can apply the formula that previously we discussed, that QB equals to QP. Then power turn on button and the temperature indicator simulator is given to read the temperature from T1 to T7. Procedure for the simulations. First, choose the particular material, fix the value of diameter and thickness, then temperature of chamber you need to set. Fourth one, using tuning switch and the white knob, fix the voltage and corresponding current for black plate as well as test plate. Fifth one, note down the various value of the temperature from T1 to T7 using the temperature indicator. Sixth one, calculate the value of emissivity for given test plate. Now observation table is there, so we need to write a voltage and current that we set, the temperature of black body surfaces, that is T1, T2 and T3, which is in Kelvin, average temperature for TB, that is calculated based on this T1, T2 and T3. Similarly here test plate is there, so test plate temperature is T5 to T7, so we need to measure it, and here we have to take the average of that 3, and chamber temperature that is indicated by T4 that we need to write over here. Then for the calculations, first of all we calculate QB, then QP. Now we know the emissivity of the black surface is 1, so sigma B is 1. Then using this Stefan-Boltzmann's constant and the various temperature, and using this formula we can able to calculate the emissivity of test plate. Now there is self-evaluation is also given. So in self-evaluation student you can have 5 different basic questions, and your knowledge will be checked over here before the simulators. Now we are moving towards the simulators. So here in the simulator you can see this kind of interface. Using this button you can go on full screen. So currently I am going for a full screen. Here the emissivity measurement apparatus is there. Then we have the voltage meter, ammeter to measure the current. This is temperature indicator. We can change the channel from T1 to T7 as per our requirement to measure the temperature. Then TP and BP is given. TP is for the test plate and BP is given for the black plate. So either of channel we have to select. This is a main switch. Here there is a time is given. See, this is a black color of plate is there, which have a 3 different temperature sensor T1, T2 and T3. Similarly for the test plate, the temperature T5, T6 and T7 is given. So here we need to select the material first. So I am selecting a steel material. So now you can see the changing is color happens over here as I am selecting a steel. Then the diameter, so diameter having a range of 5 to 10. So I am going with the 7. So my diameter I have set to the 7. The thickness is given from 0 to 5 centimeter. So I set for the 2 centimeter. The chamber temperature T4 is there. So I set the temperature of chamber like 30 degrees centigrades. Okay. Now using this white knob, I will set down the readings for the black plate as well as test plate. Now I go with this power on button. Now we need to wait for the apparatus will reach in the steady state conditions. So after 20 minutes of time our apparatus will reach in the steady state conditions. So now we go for the taking of different readings and note down that readings in our observation table. So currently I have set the material as a steel, so I need to use the row for the steel. So the voltage reading is 110, so I need to enter over here in the steel column 110. Then for the ammeter it is 0.3, so I need to enter 0.3. Now the black body temperature T1, that is a 257.10, so I need to enter over here 257.10. Here you need to enter in the degree centigrade, it automatically calculated in Kelvin. Then T2, so I change the knob, T2 it is 257.10, so again I have to enter the value 257.10. Then T3, so again I'm changing the knob, that again shows the same value 257.10. So the mean temperature for the base plate is automatically calculated using the program given over here, that is 530.1 Kelvin. Now for the test plate, the T5 is required. T4 we set as a 30, so it shows a 30 reading. Now T5, so it is 276.87, so we have to add the reading over here 276.87. Now again I need to change the knob, T6, again it shows the same readings 276.87. Then here the T7, so I need to change the probe, that is again show the same readings 276.87. So now we have these calculations of average temperature of test plate, that is 400. Mean temperature of test plate is 549.87, and T4 that I have said, that is a 30. So our emissivity comes like this. So using this various reading and various current and voltage setting, we can run our experiment, and based on that we can able to calculate the emissivity. After entering all the value, you can save the observation table, or the facilities for the taking printout is also given over here in this virtual lab. So using that option you can take a printout of this observation table also. And after that, in the next tab, the assignment is given based on this practical. So student, try all this numerical to solve. So last, the reference is mentioned over here, which is used to develop this practical. Thank you students for attending this virtual lab session. Thank you.